Hello guys, I hope you guys are safe and well. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Nitin Philip and you are watching Nicks and Needs. In this channel, we touch upon our travel experiences and unboxing videos and few how to do videos which might excite you. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about one of my recent purchases. That was this one, Havit TWS Bluetooth Earbuds. Right, so I'm going to just tell about my experience, how I got it, and how am I feeling about this product. If you want to know my views about this product, stay tuned and let's find out. Let me talk about the technicalities of this product. It has got a weight of 5.3 grams. But the purpose of this case is to give power to these buds as well. That means you can actually charge 3 times even if the battery drains. That means in total you might get nearly 10 or 11 hours in a single stretch. Alright, so and it also has got an IPX5 rating. That means it can resist water as well as the dust and difficult conditions outside. And as you can see, the carrying case is built well and it looks really elegant, and actually it can really fit into anybody's pocket. And these earbuds also can go in, and there are no obstacles at all. So it is time to just review this product. I have been using this product for more than a month now, so I think it is good time for me to make a good review of this product. So basically, let me say what I like about this product. Number one, it has got a very elegant design, very easy to carry, and it fits in anybody's pocket. And the recharging function of this case, it really works well. And these earbuds are tiny and they are easy to carry and it fits in your ear well. Alright, these are the good side of it. And the last thing is that it is very cheap and you can really buy it around $25. That means it is economical. Now let us talk about the negative sides of it. The sound quality is not really great at all. When you really compare with the market leaders like Bose, Jabra, Sony, and all these guys, JBL, the sound quality is not great at all. It is just below average. That's what I would say. And it doesn't feel really good in your ear. Initially, it might not give you trouble, but as you keep it for long hours, it actually gives a kind of discomfort in your ears. For me, I've started feeling a little bit of pain, and then I just had to take it off after 30 minutes of continuous listening to music. It has got both stereo mode and mono mode. Stereo mode means both earbuds will work at the same time, but when it is in mono mode, either one of it will work, either the right bud or the left bud. But in my case, for some reason, it actually pushed into mono mode. So I don't know how to reverse it back to stereo mode. So now the biggest challenge I face today is that if I play music, I can only hear from one earbud. Both are not working at the same time. In my recent readings, I have also found that these earbuds are not syncing well with Android phones. However, I have no personal experience at all, so don't take my comment just as it is, but check with your friends or anybody is using it with Android phone. I don't know how genuine that comment is, but it might not be working, I don't know. There is no app for these earbuds in your phone, which means that you cannot control these earbuds in any way you want. So I don't know what to say there. It is a poor engineering, I would say. So how I find out that my phone is actually connected with this earbud is that I look at the Bluetooth option, then I can see that this Havit is connected to my phone. That is the only way I can figure out, which is a very bad option for today's time. That's all from my side for today. I think you guys have enjoyed this video, and I try to assemble as much information as possible in this video, and this might help you with the purchase decision in case if you're trying to do so. So if you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe my channel, and I will come up with another topic next week, next Saturday. Till then, you guys take care. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.